NLX and Boston Properties have worked together for 5 or 6 years now on a number of different energy services, energy technology partnership endeavors. Currently, we're working with Boston Properties on demand response and on utility bill management.
Partnering with Enel helps us focus on energy in our day-to-day operations. We have capital investment activity, leasing activity, new acquisitions and diligence activity that is all going on at the operational level.
Having a company like Enel help us again on the data quality, the reporting, our ability to basically state to the public and measure really where we are, and it's important to us to certainly achieve we made a statement of having carbon neutral operations in 2025. That's big, it's a big statement.
Where there are available demand response programs, Boston Properties also owns properties. Boston, New York, Washington, D.C. So those particular portfolios where Boston Properties has buildings, we can offer, or there are demand response programs.
Historically, utilities have viewed buildings and building owners as ratepayers, but the paradigm is shifting. Buildings can now do demand-side management. They can become virtual power plants. They can contribute and push energy back to the grid. And so as that relationship between utilities and building owners evolves, we're going to need companies like NLX to help us navigate this transition to the low carbon economy.
NLX can pay utility bills better than our customers because we know utilities. We understand how utilities work. We understand the challenges that represents. We already are calling into these utilities. We have these relationships. And so in the bill pay program we can leverage a lot of our existing capacity to make that easier for customers.
They're sending us information daily. They're paying these utility bills on a daily basis. So it's a very active, relationship, should we say. And again, there's a lot of dollars at stake here. Very important to get all these folks paid. I can rest easy knowing that, again, all this process is working and NLX is taking care of paying all our utilities.
Boston Properties has been a great partner. They have set aggressive goals. They have been very clear with NLX on what they need. And we've used that feedback to help guide our own programs and our own technologies.
We all have to do our part, and we take that very seriously. If you don't set a goal, even if it's lofty, you're probably less likely to make it. And I think we wanted to make certainly a public statement about those goals, that it's important to Boston Properties as part of who we are, and we're working towards those.
NLX has helped us to remain disciplined on energy management issues and feeds us the right information at the right time to make decisions that help us reduce demand and consumption on an annual basis. Having an energy partner that you can trust really matters, and I would recommend working with NLX.